All right, my friends. So I want to do kind of a silly song with you. And here it is. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged, one-legged. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged duck. That's kind of silly, isn't it? Okay. Can we sing it one more time? Ready, go. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged, one-legged. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged duck. So great. All right, so now I want to go through and I want to do the solfege on here. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that this guy right here is so. So we know that that's in the same spot, isn't it? So we're going to put a so there. Well, this one is just a step up. So who is that guy? Yes, I love it. Good telling. That is our la. And yep, you're right. That's la right next door. Okay, and then we come back down, and you already know this guy because we've already done it. Yep, that's our so. And I hear some of you saying, yep, it's me. Good job, my friends. Okay, so if you look at this measure, is this measure and this measure the same or different? Good job. It is the same. So we know that it is so me. So me. Okay, so we can sing the first line of this song, can't we? Ready, go. So, so, la, la, so, me, so, me, so, me. Now, if you look at that second line, is this second line the same or different or kind of the same? Kind of the same. Good job. Because we still have our so's, we still have our la's, and we still have our me's, don't we? But now, you guys, who is duck? Who is that? It's a step down from me. Oh, I heard somebody say it. Good job. Do. That is our low do. So, me, do. Can you sing that with me? So, me, do. Great job. Can we sing the whole Donald Duck song with our do at the end? Here we go. Donald is a... Let's sing it with our solfege first. So, so, la, la, so, me, so, me, so, me, so, so, la, la, so, me, do. And you're like, Mrs. K, but wait. What is our hand sign supposed to be? Well, my sweet friends, your hand sign for do is just a fist. Super, super easy. Okay, so I am wondering now if we can keep steady beat while we sing it. Here we go. Ready, go. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged, one-legged. Donald is a one-legged, one-legged duck. So good. You guys are awesome. Way to go.